Now the food is eating me. It's one of my nightmares. So now let's go eat. Orlando, Florida. We are here. Are you excited? It is early o'clock in the morning. It is sun rising breakfast. That's what we're about to get into. Several hundred feet away from Disney, Walt Disney, Epcot, Universal Studios, we're bringing to you the breakfast places that's right down the street from the parks. So let's go, let's go. Y'all waiting, man, I'm hungry, man, come on, it's like early. Keke's Breakfast Buffet, we are here. It's early as heck in the morning, so excuse me for my dryness, but we're about to get into this fabulous breakfast we have already ordered, and I am just excited about getting into this food because I'm starving. I'm very hungry. You know that hunger you get when you wake up in the morning and you just want to eat a lot of food, and that's me every morning. Sorry, yes, every morning. So the one thing that attracted me to Keke's Breakfast Cafe was they had multiple locations and they had a 4.6 star. Yeah, so that made me wanna find out what's going on at Keke's. Like it sparked my interest. So we are here to eat, we are here to have fun, and we're here to let you know if it's a go or a no-go. So do me a favor, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and most importantly, share this video. So the food is here. I'm very excited. I really want to dig into it. I'm starving. My stomach is growling. All right, enough said. Let's get into this food. We got a breakfast wrap right here. You know, your normal breakfast wrap, scrambled eggs, spinach, tomatoes. Enough talking. So, if you watch my other videos, I got a video in LA at this place called Miller's. I'm gonna put the link up here somewhere. And this wrap tastes just as good. So that's a thumbs up. Syrup. So I'm gonna wet these up. You know how I do. I don't know, this syrup kind of clear. The last clear syrup I had, it was really good. So this might mean that this syrup is good too. That was in another video. I'm gonna leave the link up here too. So you could, it might be on one of these sides. So you could check out that video, because that syrup was looking like some sugar-free syrup, and it had me scared for a second. I know some of y'all out there in YouTube land love to see that drip. So, keys. I thought that was cool. They put salt and pepper in there too. Let's hope we don't need it. You'll never see me doing that. So we're gonna stab everything at once. Cause if you know, you know, I'm a savage. I'm gonna put this whole thing in my mouth. Y'all ready? Pay attention. This takes skills to be able to put all of this in your mouth with one bite. I should be part of the Olympics somewhere. Eating challenge. These pancakes are really good. I think I'm gonna take another one. So the pancake is really fluffy, not dry. Even though I wet it all up, it's still not dry in the middle. It's just really, really fluffy. So we're gonna slide this to the side. So we're on to, we just left the Silver Dollar pancakes with the fruits on there, which was pretty good. So I'm kind of on the fence about those two. Now we're over here at the piña colada stuffed French toast. The reason why I picked this because I like I like pina coladas. The reason why I like pina coladas is because they have coconut in it, and I love coconut. If you see in other videos, like the video I mentioned earlier, Millie's, I ate a coconut pancake. I posted another video of Funky Brunch Cafe. I ate a coconut pancake there too. Love coconut. So this is the pina colada French toast. So I don't know if I'll be able to get this all in my mouth, but I'm gonna try. I probably could have did it. I love it. That's something serious. Even the way they did it, like, so it looked like it was all one toast, and then they cut it up into squares. I meant triangles, not squares, so get out my face. And then they put the coconut shavings and the pineapple in there, put it together like a sandwich on this French toast. The crazy part about it is the combination. It tastes so good, like for real, for real. Usually I give y'all a rundown of what's first, what's second, what's third. I think this may be a first. Everything is first. Everything is hitting. So we over here. I started eating the eggs off camera, so man, I'm starving. I think I might order some more of these. But look at that drip. Look at that pull. You know what type of cheese that is? One of my favorite cheese. Somebody told me like it's good for like diets and health and stuff like that, but it's provolone cheese. I don't think no cheese was good for you. But look at that. The goat cheese that we ate the other day was pretty good too at that other restaurant. Look at that. That's how you know that's some real snapback action. So this restaurant got 4.6 stars. I'm trying to figure out, right? These are hash browns, sliced potatoes. But I'm trying to figure out, right? If they got a 4.6, like where does the scale stop? Is it like 5 stars? And if it is, like, they should really have 5 stars. What made them get 4.6? Because this is hitting. Alright, for real, for real. Alright. No more talking. Y'all just watch me eat. We're gonna forward through it. The man forever though, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, and share with all your friends, all your family, all your co-workers, all your teammates, everybody in your circle. You share it with them. They most definitely need to come to this. Let's make this video the #1 video I got on my page. Because this is like the best breakfast restaurant I have been to. It's like getting 5 stars. I don't know if it could get any better than this. Alright, this is great. It's like IHOP on a Monster energy drink. It's great. Stay tuned. do me a favor, guys. Make sure you share this video. If you don't do anything else, if you don't hit the like button, if you don't hit the notification button, if you don't subscribe, share this video, because sharing is caring. I'm sharing these wonderful, lovely restaurants for you, and you share this information with your friends, family, loved ones, whoever. It doesn't matter, because one day you'll be in Orlando, you'll be in Vegas, you'll be in LA, you'll be in Mexico, you'll be in the Virgin Islands. You might be in any of these locations that I have already been to, and you will want to know, where should I eat? And me, the food guide, will give you these gems that you need to try. So, the price really shocked me. Like, this food is underpriced. Like, it was like 30 bucks for all of this. I thought it was gonna be like 60, something like that. Like, really cheap. But it's these little restaurants like this that be having that good food for a good price, and it's not blowing out the water. Keke's is a must come to while you are coming to Disney World, Universal Studios, any of the theme parks. You got to come to Keke's for breakfast at least one day out of your whole trip. I'm telling you, it will be mind-blowing. You'll love it. Thanks for watching.